Hatari nganja riu murimu wa COVID-19 wejeire mirimirumu guku bururi-ini. Umuthi bururi ukiandikithia namba nene ya arwaru kuma riria murimu uyu waingirire guku bururi-ini ari arwaru 447 hari ithimi 3,803 ithimi iria ithimitwo ari 2,311.
Over the last 24 hours, 447 people have tested positive. This now pushes our cumulative number of positive cases to nearly 9,000, standing at 8,975. The total number of tested samples to date have now gone over the 200,000 figure to 200,311. And from today's positive cases, Mombasa has an additional 14.
Athuri ni mathiite na mbere na kuhotererio ni murimu uyu wa COVID-19 na hari namba ya arwaru 447 280 ni athuri guku igana rimwe ria 67 ni atumia guku minista wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Mutahi Kagwe agiikia ritana kuri atumia aria mari na ciana nini gukorwo makiigĩrĩrĩka makiria kuona ciana cire na ukuru munini ciaya gukorwo ciri ugwati-ini makiria wa kunyitwo ni murimu uyu wa COVID-19.
It means discouraging people from our usual tradition where the village comes to greet a young infant. As soon as a young infant has arrived at home, we all know what we do. Kina mama wanajaa huko hiyo nyumba kumsalimia mgeni. Sisi tunaelewa hiyo ni Kiafrika.
Ona thegia ya gukorwo kaunti ya Nairobi ni wetongoretie na arwaru 4,558. Kaunti ya Mombasa ni iri ugwati-ini munene, aikari makiurio gwithema na kwigitira ta uria mangihota. Indi Mutahi agitugiria mehariria ma kaunti ino maria mathiete na mbere na kuhingia ri gutigirira ni magacirithia ugima wa muingi.
At the level of innovation you have embraced in repurposing the engineering department of the university into a fully fledged hospital in just a matter of months. Not years, just a matter of months. You repurposed that university into a hospital.
Na tauria ari mutugo wa minister Mutahi Kagwe gutuga kaunti icera-ini riake. Kaunti ya Mombasa ni itugirwo na indo itiganite cia guteithiriria arigitani riria mararigita arwaru wa murimu wa COVID-19.
We've also brought with us some oxygen support, two of them for you. We have also brought for your healthcare workers some 50,000 protective gloves for their use, including some 8,750 medical shoe covers. Daktari, you'll be happy to know there are KN95, 500 of them.
Kaunti iria itahingitie riathani ria thirikari ria gukorwo na itanda 300 ni ciuritio kuhika na kuhingia watho uyu guku kaunti ya Mombasa ikirira arigitani ya kaunti iyo ni magukorwo makirihwo mbeca ciao cia njoherera. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, Ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru Waforo.